If you're looking to get started with CoConstruct and set up the software for your construction projects, you're in the right place. In this CoConstruct setup guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get up and running smoothly fast. Stick around until the end, and I'll also share a great way to try CoConstruct completely for free with exclusive bonuses. You definitely don't want to miss that. First, let's start with the basics. The first thing you'll need is a CoConstruct account. Go to the CoConstruct website and sign up for an account. Once you've signed up, you'll land on your dashboard where you can start setting up your projects. But don't worry, it's much simpler than it sounds. Next thing, let's talk about your company profile. Setting up your company profile is key to getting the most out of CoConstruct. Fill in details about your business like company name, logo, and contact information. You'll want to make sure everything is accurate so your clients can easily reach you and so you can send professional-looking estimates and invoices. The third thing to set up is your project. After creating your account and company profile, you'll want to create your first project. This is where all your project-specific details will go. CoConstruct allows you to track tasks, schedules, budgets, and more, all in one place. Simply click Create Project, name your project, and start adding details about the job. Next, you'll want to add your clients and team members to the project. It's simple to invite clients and subcontractors by email, and they'll be able to access everything they need to stay up to date on the project. They can view schedules, costs, and even communicate directly through CoConstruct. This is the real power of the software, making collaboration easy and efficient. The fifth thing to dive into is the financial tracking tools CoConstruct offers. With CoConstruct, managing budgets and costs is a breeze. You can input your estimates, track change orders, and get real-time updates on how much you're spending versus your budget. This helps ensure you stay on track financially and avoid surprises down the road. The budgeting tools also integrate with QuickBooks, which makes your accounting even easier. Now that your project is set up and your financials are in place, the next step is setting up your schedule. CoConstruct allows you to create a detailed, customized timeline for each project. You can assign tasks to your team, set deadlines, and easily adjust as needed. This helps keep everyone on the same page and makes sure the project moves forward without delays. The seventh thing you want to look at is the reporting and analytics tools. CoConstruct gives you detailed reports that can be customized based on your needs. From project costs to client communication, you'll have all the data you need to track project progress and make informed decisions. Now, one more important thing to note is that you can try CoConstruct completely free by clicking the first link in the description. This exclusive offer comes with bonuses that can help you get started faster, so take advantage of it while it's available. To wrap up, by the time you've gone through these steps, you'll be fully set up on CoConstruct, ready to manage your construction projects more efficiently than ever before. Don't forget to check out the link below for that exclusive free trial and get started with CoConstruct today.